We are in the land of the great Alexandra the Great. Is it Greece? Yes, Middle Persia. Is it? Yeah, Alexandra the Great. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. No. Oops. So we have a visitor here, cats. I'm a little bit scared of cats, so I just need to say no. So breakfast is here and today is the checkout place until I go and see my other place. So this is how it looks and I'm capturing just a little bit of this. So good morning guys, it's breakfast time and I'm so hungry and I love breakfast. It's only that I prefer something meatish and this is a healthy breakfast. So to start off, I will start off with this, which is fried eggs. Yes, that's what I will start off with. So we have the eggs here. I just wish if there could have been some meat in here, but yeah, let's do this. I don't know, I'm a carnivore. Yes, I'm a carnivore. And we have some Greek. Okay, it's all in Greek. So we have this. I will try everything. I will definitely try everything. I don't know which one is butter, so I will need to open this stuff. There's honey, what? Oh my goodness. Strawberry, what? This is jam. There's no way that you will go wrong with jam. And this is okay, I think this is also jam. Because all of these are just in Greek. Let me show you. So basically we have this, which is the strawberry. I think this is jam. And then we have this one for honey. And then we have this one, I think it's peanut butter. And then we have butter here, butter there. Okay, yeah, it's Greek. Everything is written in Greek. I'm just like, girl. So I'm starting off with a coffee and my eggs that I need to smear butter. And let's try and see where we will end up to. Let's do this. I was right, it's butter. So we have this butter here. And we are going to smear on the bread. Okay, I don't know, I don't like bread stuff. I don't know, I think it's because of the hostel, high school, Polytech hostel, Lutheran's High, where you have to bring a bakkie along every day with the bread. So that's where I hate bread. I will eat it definitely, but it's not something that I buy in my house unless if I have visitors. I know people like tea. Yes, I don't really love tea and all those things. So I only buy breakfast when people. Ooh, okay. Is there some salt for me to do? Ooh. Let's add this. everything is okay. This language I won't read because it looks, I mean the it looks quite different. Mm. We are in the land of the great Alexandra the Great. Is it Greece? Yes, Middle Persia. Is it? Yeah, Alexandra the Great. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not so good with history. Mm. Oh my goodness, something. Okay, how will I open this now? I don't have nails. Okay. I don't usually think that okay, that perspective. I don't think 2 pieces of sugar is enough for me. No. I like my things sweet, like candy sweet. Or let me say the sweetness of Coca-Cola, of Fanta, no sugar. Yeah, I like it. I like my coffee or tea that way. Oh. This tea reminds me of the time at my grandmother's house, where the tea is so dark and it has that strong after effects. I love it. Okay, but I'm not a huge fan of coffee or black tea or black coffee. So let's put in the milk. So this is the milk. It's also written in I don't know which language do they speak. I know it's Greece, but which language is it? What do you call Greece is a country? The language they speak, I know everybody speak English here because once I've been communicating with people, they were speaking English. So I'm gonna put in 2 because I like my tea Milky Way. So it's definitely this. I don't know guys if you also feel the same. To me, when a plate doesn't have any meat, I feel like it's incomplete. I can't eat it. Even this breakfast is nice. It doesn't have meat, so the dogs are buffing. It doesn't have any meat, so I can't say I'm feeling it. Really. So it doesn't have any meat, so I can't say really I'm feeling this breakfast because it doesn't have any meat. In my culture, we eat with our hands. So let's do this with my hand. This is my culture. This is how we eat at home. So we are done with the egg part. Let's try out these gems. I'm gonna open all of them. I'm gonna open all of them. This hair of mine also. It's my hair because it's on my head. Be it artificial, be it natural. Once something is on my head, it is my head. So let's try out the gems. Started with something that I haven't tried. Okay, so how do I dive in there? Don't they have an opening sign? Okay, I don't think these things, okay, they do. Such a hassle. Ooh, this is gem. Wow. I need to cut pieces because I'm done with bread. This piece is what I'm gonna put jam on, really, because I'm just done with it. Oh, the honey bra. Just look how it drips. Ooh, yes, girl. Yes. The other ones I'm gonna take. Honey gem. It's my first time trying honey gem. Or is it honey for the tea? I don't know. Is it honey for the tea? I don't know. Next time that they say indicate your special needs, I will definitely indicate meat. I will say sausage. Because don't get me wrong, this breakfast is amazing. So, do you prefer breakfast at the benches or breakfast in the pool? I decided let me go to the pool and see which one will vibe with me. Let me put on some sunglasses. The sun is shining. How do I look with those sunglasses? Tell me, rate me. 10 out of 10? Oh my gosh. We are in Greece and we are doing it the Greek style. This place is one of the best accommodation ever that I booked that is like wow, unbelievable. Yes, this is Greece base. Let me eat this breakfast so that I can also go and swim. Yes, I mean, I can't just be putting my feet in the water. I need to be swimming. So, yeah, let me go. But that water is a little bit deeper, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. I just need some energy to fill myself up. So, right now, I'm just testing out how cool the weather is because it's nice and hot, and I'm enjoying my breakfast.